Kitchen cabinet installation is one of the most significant parts of a kitchen remodel. Knowing how long it takes helps you plan your life around the renovation. Today we're walking through a realistic timeline, from first measurements and ordering to installation and finishing touches. So you know what to expect and can prepare for a smooth process. Accurate measurements and design choices ensure that cabinets fit perfectly. This is especially critical in older Cape Cod homes where walls and floor levels might not be perfectly square. If you're taking your time to pick finishes that tie into Cape Cod style, that choice time adds to this phase. Once design is finalized, cabinets are ordered from the manufacturer. Custom fabrication begins after final decisions are made. Unlike picking up stock cabinets at a store, custom or semi-custom cabinets are built to specific dimensions. Your lead time might be longer if you order custom finishes during peak times. Before cabinets arrive, your kitchen must be ready. Old cabinets need to be removed. Hidden issues uncovered during demolition can cause delays. When a beam needs reinforcing or a wall isn't square, the preparation phase can take longer. Explain what installation includes: fitting and securing base cabinets and installing wall cabinets. Ensuring level and plumb alignment is critical during installation. A kitchen with an island or built-in units may take longer than a simple L-shaped installation. Once cabinets are in place, doors and drawers are adjusted, and hardware is tightened. Finally, quality checks ensure everything works right and meets your expectations.